We're gonna make our own rainbow because clearly that's what we have to do. They have so many journal prompts for you to try. I'm trying to improve my little well-being. They got a free rainbow washi tape. Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you so much for being here today. So if you've been journaling for a while like me, you may have noticed how fast your paper just be gone like the wind, y'all. I mean, literally, you be journaling for like 2 minutes in your notebook and it's full. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 amazing journal apps for your iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So the first app is called Zinnia. So you open up Zinnia and immediately it wants to know how often you would like to journal. So when the app finally takes you through the different prompts, it opens up and you can select a new journal or you can go to the quick start guide. So you can start with the basic page. You can choose the page style. It can be blank. It can be the dots like in my bullet journal. When I show you my bullet journal, that's basically a dot grid journal. You can even choose the color of your pages, okay? Ain't no plain Jane over here. No offense to anybody named Jane, but yes. So we're gonna do pink because clearly, all right? And let's do a dot, y'all. Let's do the dot grid, okay? And we're gonna begin a new journal. So it takes you right into the journal. So there's a plus sign at the top. You can add pictures, text, you can write or draw if you know how to draw, but y'all know me and my Picasso thing. So this part is really amazing and awesome. So Zinnia features all these different things that you can add on to your journal on your phone. So they have things like templates, they have stickers, text boxes, planner icons, washi tape, girl, it's all C-U-T-E, okay? So I would encourage y'all, if y'all are into digital journaling, try out Zinnia for your iPhone. So now we're in the washi tape section and y'all, this stuff is super cute, okay? I don't see no rainbows yet, all right? But we're gonna make our own rainbow because clearly that's what we have to do, all right? But yeah, so, oh, hold up. Y'all, I done spoke too soon. They done got me, hold up. They got a free rainbow washi tape. So they do have a free weekly trial, but then after that, the monthly plan is either $10 a month or you can do the annual plan, which is $40 every year. And apparently it's 66% off. So the second app that I wanted to share is an app called Stoic. So Stoic starts off by prompting you about your mood. So once you fill that in, it actually brings up different exercises for you to try. So it can give you different journal prompts. It can give you different things on breathing exercises. It even has a section to list out goals. And it's very interesting because it gives you a wide variety. It's not just, okay, girl, just type, throw some stickers and washi tape. We done got you a whole spready spread. What you mean? So if you're into any of those types of exercises, plus the many more that they have on there, I would definitely encourage you guys to check out the app Stoic for your iPhone if you want to digital journal. So the third app is called Yours, and it takes you through a series of questions. Now these questions, they can be a little lengthy, they can be a little long, you might get a little tired, you may need to take a little breaky break, but once you get through all of the questions that they prompt you to answer, they actually give you an anxiety score. So I know what y'all about to see, my anxiety score is a little high, y'all. I know, it's a long story. Anyway, y'all, so it gives you an anxiety score, but on top of that, it gives you ways to reduce your anxiety. So it sets up different journaling prompts and ideas that you can actually try out for yourself in order to help you with anxiety. So this app is a little bougie because you can do a 7-day free trial, but after that, y'all, they're just gonna charge you. So I get it though, because it's like, okay, but you really trying to help me though. It's for this mental health. You trying to improve my little well-being. So the fourth app is called Diary. So if you literally just want to start typing and you don't care about all the little extra stuff, the washi tape, the stickers and all that, this app is definitely for you. So this app is free. However, they do have other features that you can access with a year subscription. It is just $5, y'all, and you have the app, okay? Did you hear me? Solamente $5. only $5. So if you kind of like, girl, this money is tight, okay, like it can't move to the left, right, up, down, nowhere around, then you can try out this app for $5 and you have it for life. So again, this app is called Diary. I think it's just nice because you just open it up and just type. So if that's what your motive is for having a digital journal, then by all means try out the Diary app. Okay, y'all, I need a little help with this last app because I was like, it's a lot going on with this app. So the fifth app is called Prompted Journal. So the Prompted Journal app, as the name implies, it just goes through a series of journal prompts. You can scroll and you can see different prompts like happiness is. They have another one that says success is, if money weren't a concern, I find it difficult to tolerate. Then they have so, like, literally, y'all, the list never ends, okay? They have so many journal prompts for you to try. And then it says, after going through all the prompts once, this button will appear at each new entry. Tapping on it will take you to the last time you answered that prompt. Each prompt will appear every 4 months or so, depending on how often you journal. So they rotate it, y'all. So you ain't about to get bored with this app because they're gonna be like, you know what? You need a little break. You need something new, something fresh in your life. So we just gonna rotate this. So they also just give you a spiel about their pricing. So they do have a week free trial, but then after that, it's 99 cents per month. Keep in mind, y'all, it's a team of 2, okay? Solamente dos personas, just 2 people running this app. So if you would like to put a little change in somebody else's pocket while improving your mental health, go ahead and try out the Prompted Journal app. So yeah, y'all, these are just a few of the many apps that they have for digital journaling. So please be sure to comment down below which app are you most interested in and willing to give a try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I love you all and I will see you guys next week. Adios, kittens.